Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 130. If we start with this box, we're missing 4 and 5, and I don't see any help. So 4, 5, 4, 5. If we look at this row, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 9. 5 here, so 4, 5. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 8. 1 and 8 here. So this is our 3. And no help here, so 1, 8. For this box, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 7. 5 here, so 3, 5. For this row now, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. And the 6 can't be here, so it must be here. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 8. 3 here, so 5, 8. 3 here, so 5, 8. That means the only place our 3 can be in that column is here. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got 4 and 8 here, so this is our 2. Don't see any other help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. No help here. 3, 4, 5. 4 here. So 3, 5, 3 and 5 here. Means this is our 4. And we can get rid of this 4. If we look at this box, we're missing 5, 6, 7, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here. So 5, 7, 6 and 9 here, and a 5 here. That means this is our 7, 5. 9 here makes this our 6, 9. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here. So 8, 1, 8. If we look at this column, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 5. That means the only place our 1 can be in that box is here. If we look at this top row, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. Got a 9 here, so 3, 7. 3 and 7 here means this is our 9. 7 here makes this our 3, 7. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. That 8 makes this our 4, 8. That 8 also makes this our 5, 8. For this box now, we're only missing a 1. For this row, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 6. That 4 makes this our 5, 4. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. For this bottom row now, we're missing a 4. And for this box, we're missing 3 and 5. So again, we can just fill in here. So if we make this our 3, that makes this our 5, 3, and 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.